These are the 2022's best 5 simple Arduino projects. Watch till end for the best one. Firstly, the levitating balls from Ultrasonic SOUNDS. Oh, it is floating.
Get out of here, it is my turn, Ethan.
Okay, I will leave.
Anyways, the second build is a rotating sunflower that follows light. Wow, that is so cool. Anyways, there is an amazing robotic arm made with recycled materials. Coming up, a speedometer of cars made with Arduino. This detects the speed and tells on the screen right here. The best project you've been waiting for is this 3x3 LED cube. You can visit the links in description to go to these videos and see how to make it.
A creepy arachnid spider. This creepy fellow is controlled by an app. It moves pretty much in all directions. Anyways, there is this amazing flamethrower that gets activated with a punch. It is taught by Kung Fu Master Oscar Perez. An accelerometer is the main key in this project.
Ow.
Next, a mechanical tulip that lights up in multiple colors when sensed by something. This is just a beautiful piece of art that can even be displayed. Did you know that you can feed your pet from anywhere with your phone in this Arduino project? This final project is crazy. It is connected to your brain signals that detect the drone's movement. Comment which project you would make.
This amazing light suit for dancing in the dark. Impressive.
Next on our list is this Polar CNC drawing machine. This is an insane drawing machine that draws anything that you submit. I'm gonna do my art homework with this. See you later. This is the amazing floating piece of art that also plays music. This just looks so interesting and eye-catching, so it is in this list. This is a very interesting build as it teaches birds to bring garbage in the hole and get a reward, which is a nut. The bird itself is so cute, which brings this project to the next level. Aw. And now the final one you have been waiting for. This is a MIDI air piano that plays even without touching it.
Enjoy.